Hey logo designers, this is Michael from the Logo Package. Let's see how we can make lockups with logo marks and logo types using Logo Package Forge. I have already generated some logo types using the fonts from the fashion set. And now I would like to pair them with some different logo mark options that I have created. I have another document which contains the logo marks, and I'm going to choose this center mark and click Set Mark. I want to stack the logo mark and the logo type vertically, so I'm going to change the stacking settings to vertical. You can see that our alignment settings over here on the left show us anchor points where we can anchor the logo mark relative to the type. I can choose left, center, or right for both top and bottom. I want to see what this logo mark looks like centered above the type. From here, I can change the scale settings. I'm going to go with a scale of 35%. And a gap of 20%. The gap is the distance between the logo mark and the type. Let's make logos. There are some good options here, but I want to continue testing the logo marks that I've created. To set a new logo mark, I must first remove the old logo mark by pressing the X icon on the thumbnail. That will remove the logo mark artboard from the grid document. I will go back to my logo mark designs and I will choose this logo mark on the left and click Set Mark. You can see that the logo mark artboard has returned with the updated logo mark artwork on it. For this mark, I actually want to see what it will look like if it is the same width as the type. So I'm going to set the scale to 100%, and I think this gap setting is fine. So let's make logos and see how it looks. All right, we have 3 new variations. And now let's test our last logo mark by removing the existing concept, going back to our logo mark document, and choosing this third and final logo mark. I'll click Set Mark. It returns to the grid document. And now I'm going to do a horizontal stacking so that the logo mark is on the left and centered with the type. And I'm going to reduce the scale quite a bit. And I would also like to change the gap setting to be a little bit smaller as well. Let's make logos and see what happens. And there you have it. Logo Package Forge makes it incredibly easy to test nearly unlimited variations of logo marks and logo types, allowing you to find your strongest concepts much more quickly. Thanks for watching.